In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a voiceover in Canva and place it on your timeline. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture clear narration right inside Canva and line it up with your visuals for a polished result. Start by opening your video design in Canva. Make sure you're in the correct project and that your timeline is visible at the bottom of the screen. If you've planned a script or key talking points, keep them nearby. A quick read-through helps you keep a steady pace and match your narration to what's happening on screen. On the left panel, click Upload. This is where you'll manage media and access the built-in recording tool. Inside the Uploads area, look for the option labeled Record Yourself. Click it to open Canva's recorder. If your browser asks for permission to use the microphone, approve it so Canva can capture your audio. Take a moment to check that the right microphone is selected, especially if you're using an external mic or headset. A quiet room and a consistent distance from your mic go a long way toward a clean, professional sound. When the recorder loads, select Audio Only. This tells Canva you're recording narration without video, which keeps your focus on the voiceover and avoids adding a webcam feed to your project. Click Start Recording. You'll typically see a short countdown so you can take a breath and settle your tone. Aim for a clear, natural pace. Imagine explaining your visuals to a friend. Calm, confident, and easy to follow. Keep your mouth about the same distance from the mic the entire time to maintain even volume. If you stumble on a word, pause briefly and continue. Steady pacing makes your narration sound more polished from start to finish. Once you're done, click Finish, then choose Save and Exit. Canva will process your voiceover and add it to your Uploads panel so you can reuse it if needed. You should see your new audio file appear there with a waveform thumbnail. To add it to your video, drag the audio from the Uploads panel and drop it onto the timeline beneath your footage. Position it where you want the narration to begin and slide it left or right until it lines up with the exact moment you're describing on screen. Canva's snapping guides can help you set it precisely. That's all you need to record, save, and place your voiceover in Canva. With these steps, your visuals and narration will come together smoothly for a more engaging video.